Hello and welcome to Ride-Alongs with Ranger Ryan. I'm here at our Foothills Field Office in the yard and I just found a California tarantula. So we're at the end of September right now, getting into the season that the males start their migration looking for females and the opportunity to breed. That's very likely what this one is doing now. Tarantulas don't have great eyesight. So what this one's doing is as it moves, it feels with its front legs and it's feeling for sticky webbing. And if it feels that webbing, there may be a hole nearby that contains a female and will give him the chance to breed. Tarantulas are large arachnids and they are venomous. That being said, their venom is not a threat to humans and it's used for hunting. So spiders generally get a pretty bad rap, but California tarantulas are docile and of no threat to humans. So I invite you and encourage you to come out to the open space and explore. Take the opportunity to breathe the fresh air and look around, and maybe you'll stumble across something cool and new. Thank you.